Social Security administers two programs for the disabled, SSD, Social Security Disability, also called DIB, and SSI. Generally, if you've worked regularly for your working life, you're going to be eligible for Social Security Disability, and if you have not worked regularly, you may be eligible for SSI. Social Security Disability is just based on what you've paid into the system. So you can have other assets, you can even have unearned income, dividends, interest, rental property, you sold a business and you're still getting paid for it, and you can still get Social Security Disability. Whereas if you don't qualify for Social Security Disability because you don't have the required quarters or credits of coverage, you are eligible for SSI if you do not have assets or income that exceed the threshold. The asset threshold is $2,000. The income threshold for your family is roughly $13,000 a year. So by virtue of that, most people have paid into the system enough and they are eligible for SSD. There are some people that fall between the cracks. Very often the non-working spouse of the wage earner is somebody who isn't eligible for either benefit because the working spouse is still making too much money. The non-working spouse, whether he or she has raised the family over the years, hasn't paid into the system long enough to be eligible for benefits. The other thing about SSD and SSI, the medical requirements for the two are the same. With Social Security Disability or DIB, disability insurance benefits, you get Medicare, and your family members, specifically minor children and non-working spouse, may also be eligible for benefits. Under SSI, there's no family benefits, and the medical benefit that goes along with it is Medicaid, which in general is not as good a program as Medicare, although it does have a better prescription plan that goes along with it.